Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError ellipsis object is not subscriptable. The error message, TypeError ellipsis object is not subscriptable, usually occurs when you try to access a part of an object using square brackets, but the object does not support indexing. The ellipsis object is a special built-in object in Python that is used to represent an unspecified number of dimensions in a slice operation. Here's an example of how you might encounter this error. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In the above example, we're trying to slice my_list using the ellipsis object, but this is not a valid way to slice a list. Instead, you need to use a valid slice operation, such as my_list 1 to 3, to get a slice of the list. To fix the error, you need to identify where you are trying to use the ellipsis object as a subscript and change your code to use a valid subscript instead.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.